Hey guys, this is TWRP and to unbox the OnePlus 8 Pro, and it's a 128GB and 8GB RAM variant, and it is in a black color. So I bought the black color, not the green one. So let's quickly open the box and see what do we get inside the box. So this is the top lid. So let's keep this aside for a time being. So this is the phone itself. So let's quickly take it out from the packaging. So this is our phone and it's in a black color. So let's keep it aside for a time being again. And this is the box which contains the rest of the accessories. So again we get all the documentations from the OnePlus itself. So again, never settle. Then we have the OnePlus stickers, and we do have the Red Cable Club subscription over here. So let's keep these things aside for the time being and let's take a look at inside. So this is the Tpu case, and we have nice never settle branding over here, as you can see. So again, quite nice quality. Again, it's quite flimsy, but it's okay. Then we do have our dash charge cable. So it's again a very good quality cable, as you can see. So again, a nice construction. And inside the box we have the charger itself. So this is the warp charge 30 adapter, and the standard output is 5 volts at 2 amps. That's a 20 watt adapter, and it also supports the warp charge 30 that it can output at 5 volts at 6 amps. So again, that's quite nice thing. So this is it from the box itself. So nothing else from in the box. So this is the case. So let me keep these things aside and let's take a look at the phone itself. So guys, this is the phone. So let's take it out from the packaging. So let's quickly open it up. So this is how the packaging looks like. So this is our device, as you can see, and it looks quite nice. As you can see, the black color looks quite nice and it gives it that premium feel. So we have the 3 cameras at the back side. At the front we have the punch hole display, as you can see. So let's quickly turn on the device and let's take a look at the inside of the phone. So guys, I already set up the phone, as you can see. So let's quickly unlock it, and as you can see, so the initial impressions, the phone looks quite nice, and we do have that 120Hz display and it's blazing fast, as you can see, and there is a noticeable difference in the display quality. As you can see, we do have that nice 120Hz. So let's quickly jump into the settings and then go to about phone, and it's OnePlus 8 Pro, as you can see, running Android 10. And we do have the Android 11 update available for the OnePlus 8 Pro and other series as well. So we'll get the update right away. So guys, this is pretty much it for this video guys. If you found this video really helpful, then do that like button and subscribe button and stay tuned for more such videos. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.